Oh, hello, friends. It is time to play 10 and more bingo. What you will need are your cubes and this board, okay? And you can play along. You are going to either play the cat or you are going to play the mouse. Okay, we will play this again. So you only are going to play one. What's going to happen is I'm going to pick a card. I will be the bingo caller, and you need to either mark here or you need to mark here. Okay? Just one side. If you get a bingo when you have 3 across, 3 diagonal, 3 down, or 3 sideways. Okay? So what's going to happen is you're probably going to need to play with someone, right? So maybe you can get a mom or a brother or a sister. Dogs probably won't play this well, but play it with someone. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. First card. Ooh, I have 10 and 6. So what number is that? Yep, it's 16. So if you have a 16, if you're playing the cat side, you need to cover the 16. If you're playing the dog side, you need to cover your 16. Ready? Let's do the next one. Oh, 10 and 4. Yep, 14. Good job. So if you were the cat, you would cover here. If you were, sorry, not the dog side, the mouse side, you would cover here. Still no bingos yet. How about 10 and 1? What number is that? Yeah, you got it. It's 11. Uh-oh. This side is getting close. These guys only need 17, and oh my goodness, this only needs 17. Oh, this one only needs 19 also. Let's see. What do we have? 10 and 9. What is that? 19. Good job. Guess what, friends? If you were playing the cat side, you just got a bingo. Good job. We will play this live. So hold on to your bingo boards. We'll play again. Bye.